Right now, somewhere in a Georgia firm, a paralegal is pasting a research question into a free AI tool that nobody approved. The answer will come back in seconds. It will look clean. It will go into a filing, and nobody will check it. That firm does not think it has an AI problem. That is precisely why it has one. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Attorney Ford, Juniata's digital avatar. She writes every script I bring you on this channel to ensure you have the human-led oversight and 20-plus years of closing table experience needed to keep your firm ahead of the game. Juniata spent over 20 years at the closing table, bond financings, title work, local government oversight as an assistant general counsel, one standard, zero error, every citation verified against a primary source before it left the office. Today we are talking about shadow AI, the use of unapproved AI tools by staff where the output reaches client work or a court filing without verification. In plain English, your team is using tools you never vetted and the back door of your firm is standing wide open. Let me walk you through a firm. This firm is not real. It is an illustrative composite. No real firm, no real client. The risk inside it is entirely real. A respected small firm here in Georgia, good reputation, loyal clients, a paralegal everyone trusts. It is a Friday. An associate is buried under a deadline. She hands a research task to the paralegal and asks for a fast turnaround. He wants to help. That is the whole problem. He is not careless. He is helpful. He opens a free consumer AI tool that nobody at the firm ever approved. He pastes in the question. The answer comes back in seconds. Confident formatting, real sounding case names, citations that read like authority. It goes into the filing. The citations are fabricated. The tool invented cases that never existed and dressed them up to look real. Not one of them was checked against a primary source. Opposing counsel finds it. Then the judge finds it. And here is the part that ends careers. The firm cannot prove that any review ever happened. The work was wrong. And there is no documented oversight to fall back on. The fabrication is bad. The missing record is worse. The story is fiction. The enforcement is not. In 2025, the Georgia Court of Appeals imposed its maximum penalty for fabricated citations. That case is Shahid versus Isam. In 2026, the Georgia Supreme Court suspended an attorney from practice before it for the same conduct. No names on this channel. The proposition is the point. Georgia courts have moved from warning lawyers to punishing them. The experimental era is over. So which standards govern you? 4. Georgia Rule of Professional Conduct 1.1. Competence. Competence now includes verifying AI output before you file it. Rule 1.6. Confidentiality. Client data does not go into unvetted public tools. The moment it is pasted, you have lost control of it. Rule 5.3. Supervision of non-lawyer assistants. The bar's toolkit tells you to treat AI tools the same way. Undocumented oversight is not a defense. And the State Bar of Georgia Generative AI Toolkit, last updated February 20th, 2026. It is not a disciplinary rule. It is the benchmark you will be measured against. Treat it as the floor, not the ceiling. A shadow AI failure usually breaks all four at once. Why does this go unnoticed? Because the firm in that story did not think it had a problem. You do not know what your staff pasted into a free tool this week. You do not know which filing already carries an unverified citation. The danger lives in the gap between what you assume and what you can prove. You will not get a warning first. You will get a claim. 3 moves. None of them require banning AI. 1. Verify every AI touch citation against a primary source before it is filed. Confident formatting is not authority, the source is authority. 2. Document the verification. Under Rule 5.3, undocumented review is no review. If it is not in the file, it did not happen. You are building a forensic audit trail. Your file has to be able to defend itself. 3. Adopt a written acceptable use policy that binds every person in the building. Approved tools only. No confidential client data in public tools. Attorney verification before filing. One standard, in writing, it boils down to this. Both firms have good lawyers. Only one of them can prove its work. You do not have to guess where your firm stands. Take the AI liability quiz. The link is in the description. It pinpoints your exposure in a few minutes and shows you the gap before opposing counsel does. This content is educational. It is not legal advice, and it does not create an attorney-client relationship. Verify the output. Document the review. Bind the staff. Structure is your protection. I'm Attorney Ford. Build the foundation. Protect the practice.